Welcome to another video. I'll guide you through the production update system and show you how to easily manage daily production entries and configure work hours. Start by logging in with your username and password. You will be redirected to the dashboard where you can select your plant, operation and date. Then click Search. Click Data Entry to enter updates. Select your plant and operation to load today's production quantities. If you go to Dashboard, you can see the production quantities are updating once quantities are added. To configure work hours, go to Profile, Config, select your plant and module. Then click Search. You can add or delete work hours. And save them either as the default for all modules or for a specific date. Now you know how to managing production updates and work hour configurations. Thank you for watching.